Hi everyone, this is Kelsey, your Navigating Neopoet workshop leader. And our ninth task on the workshop is to look at the FAQs, the frequently asked questions. You find these by going to the Resources tab, and then the first option is Frequently Asked Questions. When you click that, you'll see this list of questions. To read the answer, you click the gray box, which will expand the answer. The question, what's Neopoet? What's the point of this site? The answer, we're here to help you improve your poetry and meet other poets. So we have this whole list of basic questions that can help you, including how do I customize my profile, which we talked about in this workshop. So some of these things will be already familiar to you if you're in the workshop. But if not, it's a good resource to check out and see if your question has already been answered. That's it. Thanks. Bye.